I'm with Ambassador of Pakistan to the United States, Honorable Rizwan Saeed Sheikh Saab. First of all, sir, I would like to thank you for joining me today here.
Thank you, Mansuri Saab. Always a pleasure.
So I'm delighted to see you here at the APPNA Convention in Dallas today. I'd like to ask you, as you know, that APPNA represents thousands of Pakistani-American physicians who contribute very significantly to the healthcare system in the United States, but they're very committed to Pakistan also. And so I'd like to ask you, sir, how is the Pakistan Embassy utilizing or engaging this community for improving the U.S. Pakistan relationships, and especially contributing to the healthcare system, the education system, and the public diplomacy?
Well, thank you, Mansuri Saab. It is always a pleasure to be part of the APPNA events. In my past 10 months as ambassador, this is the third APPNA event that I'm attending.
Mashallah.
So that speaks for the embassy and the ambassador's engagement with this constituency, because I personally believe, and so did my predecessors, that this is Pakistan's best brand in the United States. These doctors are Pakistan's recognition, Pakistani professionals' recognition in the length and breadth of this country. And you have rightly mentioned that not only that they are doing their job here, contributing to the health sector in the United States, making a good contribution, making an important, a meaningful contribution. They are also helping Pakistan in so many different ways. And my engagement in this 48th annual convention, in this huge gathering of Pakistani doctors, their families here in Dallas, was essentially to not just continue to engage them, but to refresh this engagement, because for reasons of events of 2 months back only, there is a high tide of nationalism and nationhood that all Pakistanis anywhere in the world are proudly riding. So this is the time to enhance the spirit of nationhood, to capitalize on this spirit of nationhood. And who better than the constituency of these professionals who are well-to-do, well-meaning, have already contributed, so they can build a good edifice from a futuristic standpoint on the foundation that is already there. So my basic purpose of engagement with them today, actually a re-engagement with them today, was to renew their commitment, and I can safely say that their commitment was renewed today. And I believe APPNA, its different bodies, its different chapters, its membership in their individual and collective capacity are ready to translate this high tide of nationhood, to capitalize on it into mutually rewarding economic gains for Pakistan and United States.
I'd like to ask you, the events a couple of months ago have changed Pakistan's perception in the world. And it has, the tide has shifted in favor of Pakistan.
Certainly.
How's Pakistan balancing the relationship with United States and China and other countries in the situation today?
Well, Pakistan has a geographical advantage. We have a poise which is perhaps unparalleled in terms of other nation states in the world. We are centrally located at a particularly strategic geography, at a happening place. So it has been not an incident of today or an opportunity of today. 50 years back, United States and Pakistan came together, China came together, and Pakistan facilitated the first contact, diplomatic contact between two largest economies of today. Imagine they would not have been talking to each other had it not been for Pakistan.
Very true.
So Pakistan has not changed its geography. It's still the same.
Yes.
If we could be trusted today for such a secret contact and not a whiff got out, we could still be trusted today beyond the politics in the economic domain as well.
Your Excellency, I'd like to take the liberty of just mentioning that your recent interview, you were very kind to grant us an interview for the Mansuri Show on air by digital television a few months back. And that interview has been very, very popular with the diaspora. It has now almost over 1.2 million views on YouTube. And it has been, and the newspaper that carried your interview, that same interview, the issue of Pakistan Link, was one of our most read newspaper. So I'd just like your comments about our interview as well as our publications. I hope that you have followed this.
No, certainly I have followed, and it was my first ever interview in United States as Ambassador of Pakistan. And it did not take place at the East Coast where I am. It took place at the West Coast.
That was your first visit to the West Coast.
So certainly I have been watching not only your show, but basically the magazine as well. And I am glad that it has made that much of an outreach, because as an ambassador, that was the basic purpose, to have an outreach to the community here. So if people have certainly seen it and it has reached that much of a large number of public, then it is not just your success, it's a joint success. As the Ambassador of Pakistan for me as well. And that's why I continue to maintain this link with Pakistan Link.
Thank you very much. I'd just like to say, sir, this also shows your connection with the community. So that, credit goes to you, because you're really out there, you're meeting the community, you're really energizing the diaspora. So
that's my job description that brings me here. That's what I'm here for.
Doing a
so nothing
job,
special
sir.
about it.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thanks.
Such a pleasure, sir. Thank you.